Welcome to Caching Waves. This is your Elliott Wave update for Arbitrum. I've been in this trade for a little bit. I posted this setup on my channel. As you can see, it's the one I'm up the most on. Really nice entry, and it's been filling out its impulse very nicely. Now for that trading account, I risk $100 per trade. It's my public account, which started with 10,000, risking 1% per trade. So back to this impulse, you can see it's really nice, very clean, hitting targets as it should. So very happy with this one so far. Off the low in green, you can see we had our wave 1 and 2, came right between the 50 and the 618. Then our wave 1 and 2 in blue came up to the 1.618 for our third. Had our fourth wave, and we ticked at the 2.382 extension, just about $2. We then made a expanded flat as a WXY. Held the area we would expect between the 236 and 382 of this wave in blue, and we're making our 5 waves up in white to complete our 5 waves to the upside, at which case we'll expect a pretty big correction after the fact, unless we get extensions in this 5th wave. So targets, I pulled from the 1 to the 3, targeting the 0.618 extension of the entire move, which is currently at 285, just above the 200% extension of the 5 waves in green there, the one off the 2. So let's get into this right down on the micro. Literally the only one I'm in that's followed suit. So this is my original trade setup. I'm going to adjust the stops today. This was the original entry. Got in, you can see here, got in at 168.67. I adjusted my stop already, but my original stop was this low. Came pretty deep. It passed the 70%. But then we took off just like expected if it was a 3rd wave. After that, made a new high. I moved my stop to break even, and I'm going to move it again right now. Now, the one thing I don't like about this shape, this is why I'm going to be moving my stop to the guideline areas. This is a pretty ugly wave. You can count it as 5 as a 1, 2, 3, 4 flat, 5 down. Then we had our 1, 2, potentially still in a third of a third, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, up like this. But it's an ugly wave, and we're not using log targets currently. This was pulled off this second 1, 2 right here, those fibs, because this one came so deep, we'd be targeting like 3.618. It doesn't really make sense to pull from this wave 1 and 2. But if we go on linear, we're getting a little better here, where we'd expect in this impulse wave to get an extended 5th. Came to the 1.236, so we'd expect to get an extension in the 5th to come to our third wave in white. So what I'm going to do here for my stop purposes to make sure I guarantee profit is, if this is a 3rd wave in a 3rd and we're expecting extensions, I pulled this pivot off this wave. You can see my points here, and I'm going to put my stop just past the 618. So I'll put it at 2066. That way I lock up all this profit here. No matter what, I won't be able to lose, and allow this correction to fill out. If it's a 4th, we look for either a flat, which could be complete, or a triangle, sideways correction. But I actually expect this one to be a little bit deeper. So I'm not worried at the moment. Reason being, this is our 1, 2. We got a really shallow retracement. So rule of alternation, we'd expect the 4th to be deeper. So not a reason to be concerned, but I will move my stop past the 618, because it's very rare we get 4th waves past the 618. So just using that guideline and giving enough room for it to run. So I will do that now. And show you here, move our stop to 2.066 So that guarantees us $300 in this trade no matter what, as you can see. So that one's successful, which is nice. So guaranteed 300 in this one. I updated ICP. I can only lose 40. So even if all these trades go against me, it looks like I will be profitable thanks to Arbitrum. This is one of the reasons why when I see these setups, I take them all, because one can save you like that. If I can lose all of these now and most likely be profitable after I adjust my stops today. So that's it for this one, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Targets up here, final targets for the 5th, the 618 extension is 285.86 currently, but that can change based on the waves that fill out. All right, guys, thanks for watching.